I'm going to tell you this, everybody. If you're standing up in front of the orange bleachers, the show will not start. You must be sitting down. You must be down in front of the orange bleachers. We will not start the demolition derby part if you do not sit down. Round and around we go. You'll decide who is your best decorated car. We're going to stop them, we're going to line them up, and when we line them up by your applause and your applause only, you'll decide here in Coldwater, Ontario, on this beautiful, crisp fall evening, who is the best decorated car. It's spectacular time, spectacular time. They're all coming in. It's full in the back, it's full in the ring. We've got cars everywhere, Coldwater! You know, there's more cars in the best decorated here than we have at some of our derbies across Canada. I can't believe it. There's more cars in the best decorated. I say just line them up like that, John. Just line them up like that. Leave them in a circle. Keep parading them around and just stop them wherever you want.
Harley Quinn's in that car.
Stop right there. Unbelievable. Drivers, we're going to ask you to shut your engines. That's just going to say close your engines. All right, Mr. Lett. We have to say it one last time. I was here at 2 o'clock this afternoon, and there was people up in the orange bleachers at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So if you didn't want to come at 2 and get a spot in the orange bleachers, and you're in the front, you have to, as soon as we go into the heat, you will have to sit down, or we will not start the derby. What are we doing? We got characters, we got all kinds of crazy people. We got them all. All right, here we go. If you, like I said, you applaud once and once only for who you feel is your best decorated car. Make some noise for, get out of the way, Mr. Lett, I can't see the number. 85 3/4. I see. Yeah. Kind of looks like you. All right, here we go. Make some noise for 1111. Looks like she brought the rest of the cheerleaders to the show. All right, I think this car came from my garage. Make some noise for the... That is, what am I going to call it? Make some noise for the Ghostmobile! Wow. That's the loudest cheer all summer long from the Ottawa Valley to London, Ontario, now Coldwater. You've got the loudest cheer of all of Ontario so far. All right, it's painted up. He's got the puzzle pieces. Make some noise for 9 3/4. Very nice, very nice. Now, this might have come from my garage. No, it didn't. It didn't come from my house. Did it, honey? Did the weed dispenser come from that? No, it didn't. Make some noise for the weed dispenser. I think I can say this because it's an election year. He's a liberal. You couldn't say stuff like this 3 years ago, I'll tell you that. Okay, hang on here. Sean, are you keeping track? Because I don't know if it's this. Yeah, it's close. All right, here, make some noise for the Skeleton Man, 750. Just one section. It was a skeleton applause. You know, I gotta tell you, this guy can draw better than me. Make some noise, because if he's as tough as what he thinks he is, he's gonna be a heck of a competitor. Make some noise for Hulk Smash! Oh, wow. I got 3 on my head right now, maybe 4. All right, here we go. Make some noise for the birthday mobile. His mom. The mom voted for you. Thank you. All right, here we go. Make some noise for my favorite cartoon character, Stitch, Lilo's family. The little girls down there like Stitch. You're a good man. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make some noise for Team Canada! Whoa, very patriotic. Okay. I think we're down to 3. 1, 2, and then 3. Right here? He knows he's lost, so now he's moving in with her. So he's trying to help her out. Okay, here we go. One more time, then we're going to get on with the show. Make some noise for the best decorator 1111! Not bad, not bad. Make some noise if you feel the Ghostmobile. Okay. I'm going to use a different word here. Okay, in first place right now is the Ghostmobile. Make some noise if you're a liberal. Okay, hang on here. Make some noise for the Ghostmobile. Make some noise for 420. It's up to you, Led. I can't call it. You're in Kingston. It was the first Parliament of Canada, so you can call it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 420! Ghostmobile. Your winner, the Ghostmobile. I guess there's more conservatives here than I thought.